All right, let's jump into this powerful engineering tool and see its role in clean energy.
Hydrogen fuel cells? They're a super promising path for clean energy, but there's a big catch.
It's crazy, but even tiny bits of carbon monoxide can totally poison the whole system.
Luckily, there's a classic chemical process that comes to the rescue, the water-gas shift reaction.
It basically turns that nasty poison into more fuel. So we're going to model this reaction.
Using software, we can figure out the perfect outcome before ever building a single thing.
So let's get into the simulation. It's really just 3 main steps to get our answer.
Okay, first things first. We have to set the stage for our chemical reaction.
We start by telling the software all the chemicals in play, our components.
Next, we gotta lay out the actual recipe for the reaction. What goes in, what comes out.
It's simple, really. Negative numbers are the ingredients, the reactants. Positives are what we make.
All right, our rules are set. Now for the fun part, building the virtual reactor.
We just grabbed the Equilibrium Reactor from the menu. This thing is the core of it all.
Then, it's kind of like plumbing. We hook up the pipes for what goes in and what comes out.
And here's the most important part. We tell the reactor which chemical recipe to use.
And there you have it, the whole setup all connected and ready to go.
Okay, the simulation is done. Time to check out the results of our little experiment.
So, the big question. Did it actually work? Did we crush that carbon monoxide? Let's see. What's awesome is the software lets us dig in and measure everything, just like a real lab.
We can see exactly how much CO we got rid of and how much extra hydrogen we made.
So what this all means is we can model, test, and perfect these solutions virtually.
It really makes you think, if we can do this for chemistry, what else can we perfect virtually?